As an affiliate marketer, guys, we're focused on two things. One is advertising and the second one is conversions. But I'm going to share with you today why I added a separate element for myself personally. Maybe it's a different style of affiliate marketing, but it's a Monday. So I'm happy to share this strategy with you. But more than anything else, I'm here to go through it step by step with you as well. So stay tuned. I'm going to hop on my computer and share with you some more. Hey guys, here I am. Welcome to my channel. If you're watching for the first time, this channel is all about tips to help you pave the way for dreams to come true, specifically with affiliate marketing. It's just something that I'm doing on the side. I am doing affiliate marketing in the wealth niche, guys, not in any other at the moment. I might start it in the future, but currently I have a full-time job, so I can just balance it one thing at a time. I believe very strongly that you do need to have a side hustle or a side income coming in, because it's just the world that we live in today. And for a bit of stability, for a bit of, ease in comfort levels, also this can help you. But if you're just getting started and you want to learn the skills, I actually created this channel for me to share and document and guide you guys through the skill sets of affiliate marketing. So I'm going to jump into it. If you do like what you hear, make sure that you do hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. I post 3 times a week. It's really up to you. And all the resources that I'm going to be talking about in this video, by the way, guys, are in the description of this video. So feel free to reach out at any point of time. Let's hop into it. So I wanted to share with you a structure or a format that I have been following for the last year and a half, almost 2 years actually, of implementing this consistently. The reason behind why I actually started with this two-step strategy is because I wanted to do a few things. One is, I knew for myself that without advertising, I don't have the fuel to the fire. I don't have a way to scale up my business. Whatever kind of business you're doing, you need advertising. Okay, this is just a fundamental factor of the whole thing. You may market, but your marketing is basically an advertising to drive that eyeballs, to drive that traffic to your offers. It's just something that's needed. You have to accept it. It is the world that we live in. Okay. So besides that, the second skill set, which is related to conversions, is specifically copywriting. So these were the two things that I had in my mind. I knew that those two things together, what connects the two is having a system in place to automate the sales process, to ease my stress levels as a marketer in every way, shape, or form. Just as a funnel, I know the right people will purchase the products if I am advertising to the right audience, and so on and so forth. I'm simplifying it obviously within this video, guys, but what I want you to understand is there is an intention behind every action that we do. So you're not gonna share about grass to a person who's not interested in gardening. I'm just using this as an example. I'm just giving you an idea. Okay, so make sure that it's intention based when you're doing your marketing. So these are the two skill sets that you need, in my opinion: advertising and copywriting. And copywriting is needed in your advertising, it's needed in your conversions, it's needed everywhere all along the way. Okay, so copywriting is something that you don't have to be scared. You will learn along the way, but you put this together within a funnel itself. And today on a Monday, usually I talk about cash flow. Why? Because I didn't want to base all my marketing on free content creation strategies. I know that you guys hear a lot about YouTube, and I know that you're watching this on YouTube. So it's not like I don't create content, but I have an intention behind the content that I create. So for example, as I create these videos on YouTube, yes, I have links in the description. Yes, I'm using other, short form videos on TikTok and also on Facebook and so on and so forth. But those videos are very intention based for awareness. And I'm going to repeat that. It is a channel for me to create awareness. YouTube, for example, is a platform where I'm documenting my journey. Whether you buy something or not, I'm still going to be creating these videos. You get my point. So the main idea here is to be consistent so that you can get to know, like, and trust me at the end of the day, but you're also following me along my journey. And I didn't want that to stop me from getting those commissions, because when you mix those two things together, at least this is what was happening for me personally. When I was mixing those two things together, I felt very spammy or promotional based marketing that I was doing on all these YouTube or any social media channels for that matter. And that's not what I am about. So I just wanted to, eliminate that, create awareness with this channel, be here, be authentic with you guys, and make these videos every single week. But at the same time, I wanted to focus on my advertising. So what I did, and I knew this getting into it, was paid advertising. So I wanted to find a low ticket starter price to get into it. And then I wanted to get into building my list with only paid advertising. So anything that you see, if you see leads on my email list, if you see, anything that's happening in terms of sales, usually on the back end, it is from paid advertising. Remember this, okay? So I'm using my social media to create awareness. That's the intention for free marketing. And the paid marketing, specifically or advertising, is specifically related to building my email list and getting sales. These are the two things. So I'm focusing on skill set of advertising. Yes, I'm paying for that advertising, but it's still a skill set. I'm learning how to create copy there. I'm learning how to, use other people's services, fine tune my sources of advertising to get the best results. And then I focus on the copy for the conversion itself. Okay, so this is how I look at free and paid. Just know that there is advertising data is available for free marketing and paid marketing. This is just for you guys to understand. So I added these two steps. And the first step is I found a very not a high converting traffic source, but as I said, each traffic source has an intention, right? So I found My Legion Secrets, which is basically, let me just show you guys, My Legion Secrets, which gives you 100 to 200 business opportunity or, wealth niche based leads that are looking to know how to make money online, that are looking for side hustles, that are looking for affiliate marketing and so on. They're co-registration leads. So I'm spending much less on this, and it's basically $30 every single month, $60 for the first month to get started, and so on and so forth. And then you have $30 every single month. I'm not going to get into it because like if you want to know more training, if you want to know what I'm doing with My Legion Secrets and so on and so forth, there is a course in the description of this video, obviously, but also you can find a free playlist in the description that you can watch and see my journey and the monthly results and so on and so forth. So basically I said, I don't mind spending $30 a month. That's fine. That's absolutely great. I'm going to get started with that. And my whole intention for me to break even at this stage would be to make sales of at least $30 every single month, which is very doable in the space that we live in, okay, which is online, at least me personally. So the whole purpose of step one is to generate what I call it a cash flow generation step. Okay, so it generates a cash flow. The whole purpose is not to build the email list. I, in which ways, look at My Legion Secret as a list in itself. And what would I do with my own email list? I would practice my skill set, or I'm learning my copywriting and my conversion by emailing these leads every single day because they're email leads and I can send once every 24 hours an email to them. I'm practicing copywriting. I am learning about subjects. I'm improving my skill sets about subjects, and I'm improving my skill sets about the content of the email. I'm improving my skill sets of congruency. I'm finding my voice. These are all copywriting ways to ensure that I am consistently learning and improving. And that doesn't mean I'm going to get results immediately, but what it does show is the progression, right? So you can see the results that I have there, but let me just go to Facebook quickly. So guys, this is a paid group that I am in. This is a paid group that I am in, and it's all members. So I just wanted to show you. I don't think I posted. Oh yeah, I did. So just to give you guys an idea, okay, this is in 24th of June. You can see I made 4 sales, right? I made 4 sales from one email that I sent. What this basically meant is that one email I sent, I made 4 sales with $41.61. Now, obviously, this is not going to mean that you're going to make the same amount, but this is just to give you guys an idea and proof. And I'm not really worried about the sales price and all these kind of things, or the product. I don't really care about all of those things. What I'm trying to show you here is that I'm applying the skill sets, and the whole purpose here is for me to make that sale, right? It's not about the product, it's not about the service, it's me applying the skills to get that conversion, because what that sale is telling me is that it is working, right? So as I get this cash flow here, what this is becoming, the step one, is a funded proposal. So it's becoming a funded proposal that I can now utilize the income that I'm earning. So say this $41, for example, I'm able to now purchase advertising. So let's say a Google ad or a Facebook ad or whatever ad I decided, okay, I have this amount. I'm going to be spending this amount for advertising. That goes to a whole funnel process right here to a bridge page, to an offer that I own, and so on and so forth, right? So this is what happens, and then they get also added to my email list. And that is the core element that I'm doing right here. So today I wanted to talk specifically about cash flow, guys, the way that I'm generating a cash flow for myself, the way that I'm, building this funded proposal is with the help of My Legion Secrets as a tool. If what you're using it, as I said, it is used for the business opportunity or wealth niche. If that's something that you're interested in or that's something that you're doing, then definitely it is a resource that I would recommend. Now, guys, there are controversies out there. Is the marketing good? Is the leads good, bad? All these kind of things. Just know this. It has been converting consistently for me since 2023, which is when I started using My Legion Secrets as a resource. I've had a phenomenal time with the tool. It is converting for me. I'm getting a cash flow, and I'm utilizing the cash flow to always consistently have advertising coming to my landing page and my entire funnel itself. So that's how I personally got started with affiliate marketing. Like I said, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an idea, but more a mindset of what are the skill sets needed for affiliate marketing, and why am I focusing on cash flow more than anything else, right? That's my main aim here. So if you're interested in My Legion Secrets or interested in any of the resources, links and the descriptions, if you have any questions regarding this strategy, let me know, because I've simplified it as I made it as easy as I can to share with you. You have a tool, you plug in that tool to an offer, you get a sale, you take that sale and you add it and you start to purchase. And this is basically a funded proposal. So I hope you guys understand that. On Mondays, usually I talk about about cash flow. So I wanted to make sure that you understand what a funded proposal is, because you can add this concept of a funded proposal in different strategies in your life. You can add it as a funded proposal in a funnel itself. You can add it as a self-liquidating funnel, for example. It's the same thing. You can add it in an investment strategy. All of these things come into place, but a funded proposal, the concept still exists. Okay, it's about generating that cash flow to then reinvest in your business to create more. Okay, hope that makes sense. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to leave a comment below, definitely leave a comment below. All the resources that I mentioned are in the description. And on Wednesday, I'm going to be hopping on and talking specifically about the tools that I use with my affiliate marketing journey. So how do I put all of this together with the systems that I have in place? Okay, so I hope that you enjoy that. Hop on Wednesday for another video. I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Have a great day.